Is there any industry that doesn't get affected much even in a challenging economic situation? Yes, there is. It will be the healthcare industry. Whether it's a good market or a bad market, you still need to get healthcare when you are sick. That's the evergreen benefit of investing in healthcare stocks. So let's take a look at what are the blue chip healthcare stocks that are listed on Bursa Malaysia. Hi, welcome back to Mr. Money TV, your favorite financial edutainment channel, bringing you financial education and entertainment at the same time. Well, who say that learning about money can't be fun, right? If you enjoy learning about money in a fun way, do subscribe to our channel and turn on the notification button to get updated with our latest video. Also, if you are more active on Facebook or Instagram, do follow us there for the latest updates. And if you like what you are watching, do us a simple favor by liking this video and leaving a comment, because that will really help us with the YouTube algorithm to help us to reach more people with our content. Now, healthcare, the most important basic need in today's society. It is one service that is needed regardless of economic condition, whether it's a good economy or a bad one. You still need to see a doctor and get treatment if you're unwell, right? Often, when there's a pandemic, healthcare stocks tend to benefit from it. On the other hand, with the growing elderly population worldwide, healthcare needs are expected to grow year on year, making stocks in the healthcare sector a worthy entry into your watch list.
Hey, wait. By the way, this is not an investment advice to buy or sell any financial instrument. Do talk to your financial advisor before you do any financial decision.
Okay, thank you. Go. Okay, you have heard our director. Yeah, he has said it. So, what are the healthcare blue chip stocks that are listed on Bursa Malaysia? There are three blue chip stocks from the healthcare industry. They are IHH Healthcare Berhad, the largest private healthcare group in Asia, Top Glove Corporation Berhad, the largest latex glove manufacturer in the world, and Hartalega Holdings Berhad, the largest nitrile glove manufacturer in the world. So, if you are interested in investing in the healthcare sector, these are the three healthcare blue chip stocks that you should add into your watch list. IHH Healthcare Berhad is a Malaysian-Singaporean private healthcare group focused on premium healthcare service. It is the largest healthcare group in Asia with 77 hospitals operating in 10 countries worldwide. They provide 4 types of healthcare services. Primary care, which is basic day-to-day healthcare services via outpatient treatment of common illnesses, routine checkups and vaccination. This includes preventive care and patient education. Then the quaternary care, which is the advanced level of medical care, which involves high-intensity complex surgery such as organ transplant, neurosurgery, cardiac surgery, and reconstructive plastic surgery. This vastly complex clinical procedure require highly trained, experienced surgeon and best-in-class intensive care units and facility. Complementary ancillary service. These include comprehensive diagnostics, analytical laboratory testing, therapeutic radiology, physiotherapy, integrated rehabilitation, and advanced molecular diagnostics. Now, IHH Healthcare Berhad have 3 main businesses under them. The first business, Parkway Pantai. They operate a network of 56 hospitals across Asia. And the second one, Acibadem Holdings. They operate 21 hospitals across Central and Eastern Europe, Middle East, and North Africa. Finally, the third business under IHH Healthcare Berhad is the International Medical University, IMU. I believe you've probably heard of it, or even have friends who graduated from there. Well, IMU has been a popular higher learning institution in Malaysia for students who want to pursue a career in the medical field. In short, IHH Healthcare Berhad operates a network of hospitals that provide a full range of healthcare services and a full-fledged education arm. Both of these are basic needs in today's society: healthcare and education. It is no surprise that IHH Healthcare has become one of the favorite for investors who want to invest in healthcare stocks in Malaysia. Well, for their financial results in year 2019, they reported a revenue of 14.9 billion ringgit. It's a growth of 29.4% from the year before. They also reported an earning per share of 5 cents per share in 2019, a decrease in 7.14% from the year before, and dividend of 3 cents per share in 2019, which is the same from the year before. Well, with a growth in population of elderly worldwide and growth of demand in private healthcare worldwide, IHH Healthcare Berhad surely deserve to be in your stocks watch list. The second company on the list is Top Glove Corporation. Corporation Berhad, the largest latex glove manufacturer in the world, founded in 1991 by Tan Sri Dr. Lim Wee Chai, with only one factory and one production line. Today, it's the largest glove manufacturer in the world. For every 5 pair of gloves in the market, one is made by Top Glove. Top Glove has 44 factories and 700 production lines today. They are able to produce 78.7 billion pairs of gloves every year. Their glove is exported to over 2,000 customers in 195 countries worldwide, with US as one of their main export countries. Top Glove has demonstrated steady growth with a compound annual growth rate of 21.7% for their revenue and 19% for their profit after tax over the past 18 years. And in year 2019, Top Glove Corporation reported a revenue of 4.8 billion ringgit. That's an increase of 13.75% from the previous year. And their net profit was reported to be 364 million in the year of 2019. That is a decrease of 15% from the year before, mainly due to the increase in latex concentration price. That is the raw material for latex glove. They issued a dividend of 9 cents per share in 2019. And finally, the third company on the list is Hartalega Holdings Berhad, founded by Mr. Kwan Kam Hon in 1988. Hartalega now produces 36 billion gloves a year, making them the largest nitrile glove producer in the world. Hartalega has always been a company that focused on innovation in glove manufacturing. They are the inventor of the world's first lightweight nitrile glove in the year of 2005. This caused a demand shift from latex to nitrile glove all over the globe. Hartalega have 112 production lines in total, with advanced manufacturing line that can produce 45,000 pieces of glove an hour. Hartalega's glove is exported worldwide, with US being one of their main markets. Hartalega Holding has been rapidly increasing their production capacity by investing in larger production plants to meet the rising demand in the glove market. In 2019, they reported a revenue of 2.8 billion ringgit. It is a 17.4% increase from the previous year. Their net income reported in 2019 was 455 million ringgit. It is a 3.6% increase from the previous year. They also issued a dividend of 8 cents per share in 2019. Well, do you know that Malaysia contributes 65% of medical glove supply in the world? This makes us the world's largest medical glove supplier. Imagine, every 10 medical gloves in the world, 6.5 of them is manufactured in Malaysia. The medical glove industry is one that is not easy to penetrate. Medical gloves are at the forefront of protecting patients and healthcare staff to prevent transfer of diseases and hygiene purpose. Every pair of gloves has to go through a rigorous quality assurance test to ensure that it's safe to use and it's of good quality. To qualify as a medical glove supplier, one has to get the FDA approval before any healthcare institution are willing to consider to purchase it from you, making it one of the industry that has the highest barrier of entry. This is what gives this two-glove producer a strong economic moat in the healthcare sector. So these are the 3 blue chip healthcare stocks that are listed on Bursa Malaysia. IHH Healthcare Berhad, the largest private healthcare group in Asia, Top Glove Corporation Berhad, the largest latex glove producer in the world, and Hartalega Holdings Berhad, the largest nitrile glove producer in the world. These are the 3 healthcare blue chip stocks that are worthy for you to put it into your stocks watch list. Thank you very much for joining us today. If you enjoyed this video, do click the like button and share this video out. I'll see you next week.